What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change the tail light on this 2011 Tundra. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Actually, this is the second time that tail light's busted. So and I just picked this up from Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below too as well for you order. Should come with everything too, the tail light and then the wire. Yep. That's what it comes up with, guys. There it is. And the tools you need is this right here, Allen wrench. Simple Allen wrench here. Tools you need. First, you just untie these two bolts here. You should be able to slide it out. Now, I've changed these before. This is the second time I've done it. And these things are pretty easy to get busted. So it's a truck, people backing in. I lend this truck to a friend. And this is what happened when you lend to a friend that never drove a big vehicle before. So basically you just propped it out. Since my lights are still good, what I'll do is I'll just keep the new lights on and just basically pop these lights out and then just swap the outside only. All right. You got this open. Mine light's a little tight, so I need pliers to turn it. So just turn it and get that. Turn it to pop it out. Just like that. Just like that. Just pop that. No problem though. I have an extra one. Came with it, so it'll be alright. So what I'll do is I'll just use the old light because all the lights still works. I'm just gonna use the tail light out there. Now you see there's a little wire here. This is my little hack or connection for the backed up camera power source. Comment below if you want me to make a video of it as well. So, all right, guys. So just swap the new one to the old one and see how it goes. Just gotta fish this wire through back again. Again, this is just my low power hack for my backup camera. I also picked it up from Amazon too as well. I installed this like years ago, but it worked just fine. Just like that, guys. That's it. This is a satisfying part of it. Cheers.